on Thursday, 29th of June, new Bitcoin update. I've been away for a couple of days, but not much happened. We were still here in that correction, which is still taking place, and I think we have one more leg down to go. First showing you this chart. We did have here a liquidity grab yesterday evening, I think, yeah, and it went up a bit, but I do expect Bitcoin to make this corrective ABC and then a bounce. The reclaim here would be a perfect entry for much higher. When I look at the lower time frame, you can see here the liquidity grab yesterday and up. I'll have to reconsider if we break above here and stay above. Just a spike above is a stop hunt, and we'll make that move lower. If we continue higher and then come back, then we break the market structure here. And let me make it a little bit more clean. You can see here this low, this high, lower high, led to this lower low, and if we break that high again, then we have a break in the market structure, and then a pullback to this level more or less will be your chance to get in, and I think an invalidation of the move lower to the green box. For now, I'm still looking at that green box, also based on my Elliott wave charts. And let me show you first the bigger picture. I already updated yesterday on Twitter, but I adapted my account a bit, and I do think we have one in place, and we are now we did leg number 2 here and are now on our way to the upside, which is more or less leg number 3. That would mean that we have 1, 2, 3, and for 3 I'm looking at equal lengths, and then we have a target minimum of 40,000 for leg number 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe even we should go higher even. Looking at the lower time frame, what I said, I do have here again last week an impulsive move to the upside, corrective bounce, a correction which is taking place this week. I do think that we have A, B, C, that we have to do one more leg to the downside, so more or less to this level, 29,500, a little bit below, and then up again, and then we would be heading towards 40,000. Ether is also on plan. I did have these dots shown you, I did show you them a while ago. We are here in, we did first leg up, here also a little bit lower, and then up again. And for Ether, I do see a target toward 2,400 on the daily. This is a bit different chart. We have here 1, 2, and then here 1, 2, and this is 3. So yeah, all looks good for me for now. Only a steep drop. Let me look for invalidation. Yeah, that is first signs would be if we see a steep drop here and then a weak bounce, and then I would look for shorts. But for the moment I am bullish, and I am actually very bullish. Bitcoin to 40,000, that is my plan, and let's see in the coming weeks, months how that plays out.